Alright, check out that Hudson Hornet. We're over here in Pahrump, Top Notch Carrier LLC, a 1954 Hornet. How about that? Make my dad happy. Victor, what do you think about this? We'll get to this hot rod in a minute, but check out this. Obviously it's not finished. Still has a long way to go, but it's all there. 4 doors of Hornet. How cool is that? Oh, it is a twin H-power. Didn't know that when I first was looking at it. Wow. Twin H-power. 54. Cool. Now look at this. We got a Roadster. Got a B&M shifter in it. It's like a two pedal hot rod. Got Holly valve covers. Got a small block Chevrolet with an Edelbrock carburetor. They got a brand new fuel pump. How cool is that? Dano live. Look at that. Gregor SS mags. Not a Duster or a Demon. It's like it's being worked on. It's all a shell. Look at that. Got the engine in it. How cool is that? And look at this. Like a Charger. Dodge Charger. You have a Dodge Charger. Somebody could make that thing look brand new. There we have it. Dano live, Pahrump, Nevada.